Now to the pandemic and the easing of some restrictions. New York State lifted its mask mandate for public places, but there are still areas where the coverings are required. CBS 2's Thalia Perez sorts it all out.
On Wednesday, when Governor Hochul announced the end to the statewide mask mandate, many New Yorkers let out a sigh of relief, including restaurant owner and chef Salvatore Correa.
It's 2 years now with this pandemic, so it's everybody wants to go out with no any mask anymore, no wearing mask and anything.
Correa says he opened up Cacio e Pepe on the Upper East Side in May of 21, and just like many business owners, he says he is leaving it optional for restaurant patrons and employees to wear their masks. Mask wearing isn't optional, though, in a number of places, such as correctional facilities, homeless shelters, hospitals, nursing homes, healthcare facilities, child care settings, public transit, and on airplanes.
So I'm not sure I completely understand. So you don't have to wear a mask in stores, restaurants, if you're vaccinated?
Many New Yorkers, like Elsa Hirma, say they aren't clear on exactly what the guidelines are because they're not cut and dried.
Earlier in the pandemic, when going to like the New York city site and things like that, it was very clear on what type of quarantine we had to have and things of that nature, but now it's very blurry.
It's actually up to individual businesses to decide if patrons and employees will wear masks. And keep in mind, the citywide vaccination requirement is still in effect, including those for city workers and private sector employees.
Masks in schools are still required, though, and Governor Hochul says that will continue until she reconsiders it after winter break. On the Upper East Side, Thalia Perez, CBS 2 News.
Stay with CBS 2 for the latest information on mandate changes. On our website, you can track COVID cases by county, find information on vaccine centers, and more. Those resources are all available for you at cbsnewyork.com.